Okay, welcome back. I'm gonna to show you some new features. Select file, new page, open a new page, and now command select top. Normal 2, make a circle, put a dimension for this circle as 200. Now, isometric, confirm your sketch. Now, select top plane again, go to feature and reference geometry and create a new plane. We just need to wait for a few seconds. Okay. Come on. All right. Here we are gonna to create a new plane parallel to top plane. Here we have to put distance as 100 and confirm. Now already your plane 1 is selected. Normal 2, make a circle again, same center, use same center, and diameter is 150. Okay, isometric, confirm your sketch, select plane 1, go to features and reference geometry and plane. Same diameter here, 100, offset distance is 100, confirm, normal 2. Sketch, this time use straight slots. Make a straight slot here. Okay. You just need to put, look, I have a center in straight slot, this point. Select this point and use Control on your keyboard and select this point and let's say coincident. Okay. And dimension, this one is 50 and here is 100. Isometric. Now confirm your sketch, select plane 2, go to feature and another plane, same offset distance 100, confirm, normal 2, and again I need a central, the straight slot here. Okay, let's say this point is coincident with this point and diameter here is 100. No, not 100, let's say 70. Okay, and this distance is 180. Isometric. Now as you can see here, I have 4 sketches in different planes. Now I'm gonna confirm this sketch. Okay, now I'm gonna to introduce you a new feature which is called as loft. Okay, select loft. Here you can see the tree diagram. Open the tree diagram and start from the first sketch. Select your sketch. First sketch, second, select it, third sketch, and finally the last sketch. Now, as you can see here, we can use the loft for creating different this type of the features. But in loft, this profile is very important. The selected point is very, very important. Okay, you may change the position of these points, and if you make these changes, definitely you will create another type of the part. Okay, so for instance, if I change the location of these points, I will be able to create different points. Now, different types of the parts. Now, in order to have the same type of the the products or same type of the perspectives, let's select front plane, select front and normal 2, or in view orientation you can come to here. Look, select, go to view orientation and select this one. Okay, now I have to put these points on the farthest possible point. Look, center, 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 not center, the intersection and intersection. Okay, now we have to select center of the circle, center of the other circle, and here it's on intersection, as you can see, and this one is on intersection. Okay, now you can have this part, convert this loft, and you will create a part. Now we use these planes and we wanted to hide these planes because we don't need these planes in our future steps. That's why we may right click on these planes and hide and hide. Okay, I have a very complicated perspective here. Okay, now if you ask me to have a shell here, you can simply come to select this the face, and in your feature go to shell, and let's select as 10 millimeters and confirm. Even it's possible to have less than 10. Now isometric, as you can see here, if I select front and go to section, you can see the inside of this part is not filled out. Okay, and this is a very important technique for creating very complex shapes or very complex perspectives. Okay, now I'm gonna to continue with the use of the other two, with introducing other tools. Okay, open a new part, select OK. Now let's say I'm gonna to work on front normal 2. Okay, sketch circle, make a circle, another circle, concentric with the same circle. Okay, dimension, this one is 60 and here is 50. Okay, now center line here, center line, make a center line here. Okay, firstly right click on it, make it vertical, dimension center to this center line is 200. Okay, now let's say features, revolve the bus. Now as you can see here, we can create a perspective. If we select this one as 270, okay, or we may reverse this one, we can create this part using revolve. Okay, this is another This is a very good example for the use of the revolve. I'm gonna to continue to the work on revolve. Let's open a new page, part, and OK. If you wish to create a disk, you have to use revolve. Front, normal to. Let's say I need a, let's say I'm gonna to use use line and create this sketch. This is my sketch. Let's say these two is equal. These two is equal as well. Okay. Okay. This dimension here is 10. This height is 60. This line and this line is horizontal. Let's say these 2 points is horizontal. Okay. You may consider this height as 20. Let's say this one as 30, sorry. Change this one as 30. Okay. And these two is perpendicular. Good. Okay. $15 here to here is 5. Now, as you can see here, I have a sketch. All the colors is black. Now use center line and make a center line here. Be sure this should be horizontal. Distance between the center and this line is 100. Okay. Now, again, I'm gonna to use feature revolve, and I will be able to create this disk using revolve. Open a new page. Select front, normal to, sketch, and let's say line. I'm gonna to use this, create this sketch. Line. Okay. All these lines is equal. Okay. And use 3 points arc and make this arc. This one is 50. This one is 50. Here is 80. Now, again, I'm gonna to use center line here and make a center line. Right click on this center line and make this one as horizontal. This distance is 300. Okay, and now I have this sketch. This one is 50, here is 80, and this distance is 30. Be careful, this center line is very important. If you do not draw this center line, I will show you how it will be happen. Okay, features, revolve. You will be able to create this revolve if you select this one as 360 degree, confirm it. Select this face, normal to, and now I'm gonna to use circle here. Make a circle. $30. Okay. 30. This point is vertical with this point, and distance between center and here is 25. Let's say 30. Okay. Now select this sketch, go to circular sketch pattern, take this center and put on the center of this circle. Okay, and put the numbers of the circle which we are gonna to have as 40. Okay, and confirm. Now we should say this point control this circle as coincident. If you do so, all the colors on these circles will be black. Okay, be careful. Now isometric, feature, and cut extrude. Let's say this one as through all. Okay, and confirm. As you can see here, we made a very complicated sketch here with a few minutes. In 4 minutes I create this sketch. Okay, and you can use these techniques in future homeworks and in future works. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna to stop here, and I will try to continue in the new comments, my new features in another video. Hope everybody will be fine, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.